Okay, so in this video, we're going to start to understand what cumulative equals to true means, and also what it means to examine or calculate all the possible probabilities in a binomial distribution. Okay, so first of all, in the previous example, we looked at all the possible different outcomes we could have for the number of successful calls or sales when we made this call. And here they all are. What happens if we sum them all up? We can just use Excel's equals sum call to do that. Notice, and I'm just going to zoom in here, bear with me, just so it's a little bit easier to read. If I sum up all these possible probabilities for all the possible outcomes between 0 and 10 sales can be made per day, summing up all those probabilities of each of them sums to 1. That's actually not unexpected. Again, all the possible probabilities in a probability distribution should sum up to 1 total. So if there's 10 possible calls in the day, each one possibly ending in a sale, then we can have anywhere between 0 and 10 sales in the day. There's another way we could have gotten this probability between 0 and 10 sales made using the equals Binom.dist call. And what we're going to do is put in our number of successes at 10, which is the upper limit. Our trials is going to be 10. I'm just going to cell reference it from here. Probability of success, the 30%. And now I'm going to use cumulative equals to true. What does that mean? It's telling Excel, go accumulate or add up all the possibilities up to and including 10. So cumulative equals to true grabs all of the possible x values up into and including the number of successes x value that we put in this case 10. So let's see what we get. We'll look at this concept in future videos as well, by the way. Now we get a 1. So there is a 100% chance of anywhere between 0 and 10 sales being made per day out of the 10 calls that we make per day. Okay, thanks for watching.